Hello and welcome to the Tech Learners YouTube channel. After a long time, I am making this video on PowerPoint. This multimedia software is very useful, very easy, and lots of things to do inside it. We can make logos, we can create presentation, we can create videos, we can record screens, we can record our sessions. And making logos is my favorite here because we need less technicalities, less technical knowledge, and a less graphic design expertise inside this PowerPoint, because we can simply create fashionable and professional logos and in high quality PNG format, like any kind of different types of our different logos we can create easily, and a few of the steps. Another use, we can export our presentation as a video from it. Simply, if we want to create any video from it, we'll just go to the file and just export and create videos. Other option also too, but my favorite is create videos. So you don't need any screen record, video editor, software X, or if you want to simple presentation recording, that's a very useful things for me inside the PowerPoint. We can record, we can make lots of things inside. Like if I want, like my channel's logo, Tech Learner, I made it simply. Like I'm let's do it for just demo. In the next session we will design other logos of famous companies. So let's choose the clear, and I'm going to choose text box, and I'm just typing is TL, and I'm selecting it and increasing the font size. I will change the font size up 200. So not so big, let's increase it and change it to impact. Okay, nice fonts. And let's increase one step more. Okay, zoom out it inside our slide, simple. And then draw just a this rectangle over here, control A, so select all, merge shape, and a fragment. I cut it. See, I can make only the logo of TL, Tech Learners, for this, but I'm not doing this. So I am making is the just duplicating the slide. So because control D, because I can edit, and shape will be different levels. So I will just select both and control G for grouping, so I can easily change its size like this. Okay, then I will draw a right triangle shape, or I will use the right angled triangle for this. So just draw here over here, and I am going to rotate it. Okay, okay, I'll just place over here, and this perfectly. I will just I will uh, remove this outline, no outline, and color should be the okay. I select both of control A, and ungroup this, ungroup this, ungroup this. So select all this, merge. Very easily we can make logos inside it. I made this tech learners logo, and on the downside I'm uploading this. I my favorite this logo. I'm uploading this logo to my channel. So thank you friends, thanks for watching. We will create different logos in the next sessions. Wait for this, comment for it, what purpose you are using your PowerPoint presentation. I make lots of I've made lots of banners here. I make lots of cards here. We will create a Valentine cards, New Year cards, or any festival cards here. We can make lots of things. We don't need any graphic expert softwares like Adobe InDesign, older version is PageMaker or other versions. So we will talk about also publishers inside this, and this comes with Microsoft Office freely available. So right now I'm also using the screen recorder of MS PowerPoint. So thanks for watching. Keep watching Tech Learners and keep learning techs. Thank you. Bye bye.